Hello students, I am Sachin Kumar. We have read speed in the previous video. Now we will have types of speed in this video. Now let's start types of speed. What is meant by uniform speed या constant speed? When a moving body travels equal distance in equal interval of time irrespective of direction, then it is said to have uniform speed या constant speed. If suppose if a moving body cover equal distance cover distance equal interval of time, howsoever small these interval howsoever small these interval may be, irrespective of direction, any direction, then it is said to have uniform speed. As a suppose 0 second 0 meter, then 1 second 2 meter, then 2 second 4 meter, equal interval of time equal distance, uniform speed. Irrespective of direction means suppose 0 second 0 meter, 1 second 4 meter, 2 second 8 meter. So change the direction because irrespective of direction. 3 second 12 meter, then change direction. 4 second 16 meter. So you know equal interval of time equal distance covered by the body, uniform speed. What is meant by non-uniform speed या variable speed? When a moving body travels unequal distance in equal interval of time या equal distance unequal interval of time, may be irrespective of direction, any direction, then it is said to have non-uniform speed. You know non-uniform speed means if a moving body cover unequal distance in equal interval of time या equal distance in unequal interval of time, then the speed of the body is said to be non-uniform speed या variable speed. Suppose 0 second cover by the body 0 meter, 1 second 2 meter and 2 second 5 meter. Non uniform speed, because 1 second is 2 meter, so then 2 second is 4 meter, but 5 meter cover by the body 5 meter and 1 second 2 meter, so unequal distance. So unequal distance, equal interval of time. Yeah, 0 second 0 meter, 1 second 4 meter and 3 second 8 meter. Equal distance, what? Unequal interval of time. Unequal interval of time. So we can say non-uniform speed. Irrespective of direction means any direction. So change the direction. Maybe change the direction. 3 second 8 meter, 4 second 9 meter, maybe. What is meant by average speed? The average speed of a moving body is equal to the ratio of the distance traveled by the body to the total time taken by it to cover that distance. Average speed, we can say, if a moving body equal ratio total distance traveled by the body and total time taken why it cover, average speed. Average speed, total time taken, average speed total distance upon total time taken. Average speed, total distance traveled by the body, total time taken to cover it, total time taken to cover it is called the average speed.